Fun fact, kale makes you shit better.
I got a happy hot dog monkey.
I have some Black Magic kale seeds from Park Seed and some Mamba seed from Johnny's Select Seeds. I have these little Grodon rock wool grow cubes. It's essentially insulation like you have between your walls. I have a tray, a thing to hold water, and a single chopstick. Let's grow some fucking kale. Step 0, the right environment. All seeds need the right conditions to germinate. Temperature is important. The seed package should offer this information. Kale is a cool weather plant, but germinates best when the weather is still relatively warm, like late summer. If you're growing indoors under grow lights, you're probably good in most cases. Okay, now we're ready to start growing some fucking kale. Step 1, soak grow cubes. Break off however many grow cubes you need. I'll start with 4. Fill up a thing with regular from the tap water. Dunk the grow cubes. See how they hold water? Like a hooker refusing to swallow for an extra $10. Step 2, open seed package. Because Grandma and Grandpa thought consumer capitalism was the best. Now everything comes in a fucking package. If it won't open using the meat utensils God gave you, use scissors like Jesus did. Step 3, gape the grow cubes. There's a rule in movies. If you show a gun in the first act, it better go off by the third act. Remember the chopstick? That's our gun. Use it to make a nice gaping hole in the grow cube. Then break off a tiny piece of the cube. We'll use this as a cover after we've deposited our hot, steaming seed. Step 4, insert seeds in grow cubes. Use about 3 to 5 seeds per cube because all seeds aren't guaranteed to germinate. So we put multiple in each cube to increase our odds of getting at least one to germinate. Most likely we'll have more, in which case we'll need to pare it down to the fittest one in a few weeks. It's how math works. Some seed packages have a recommended number of seeds per hole. For this particular variety of kale, it's 2. If there's no recommendation, go with 5. If none of them germinate, then never buy seeds from that place again. You all know what germination is, right? It's essentially when the seed hatches. It stops being a worthless fucking seed and becomes a seedling, which is a fancy word for newborn plant. The seed then becomes the initial food source for the plant. Kind of like how the placenta becomes food for the human baby, or however human babies work. I don't know. I don't have stupid kids. Step 5, put the cubes in the tray. Then fill the tray with water. Not too much, just a couple of millimeters will do. Step 6, place under grow lights. Or don't. The seeds don't need light to germinate, but the instant they break through the surface, they expect to be bathed in sun. So go ahead and set them up for success. Step 7, monitor daily. Check on them every single day. Refill with water when it dries up. You do not want them drying out or they will not germinate. And that's how you start kale seeds. In about 6 weeks, your poop will be greener and your shits will be better. I've been Aaron. This is Hydro Solo. Thanks for watching. Now get the fuck out of here and go live your life or something.